Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your first peg with the SCRIBIT setup process. So all you really have to do is have your first peg go, and this is the top left peg. Any standard nail will do, or any kind of device that will hang items on the wall, such as a picture frame hanger, etc. But I have a regular standard nail over here and just a regular hammer. All you have to do is find that spot that you want, and of course for the first spot it could be any spot on the wall. It's typically going to be on the top left area of the wall. So all you have to do is take your hammer and your nail and hit it into the wall. There's no special way to do this, there's no secret to it. You basically get the nail in pretty perpendicular to the wall, pretty straight on, and in a minute or shortly I'm going to show you how to get that string on and how to hang all of this. So this was a quick video, but it's really just answering that essential question, is how do I start getting this SCRIBIT hung on the wall? And that's how you start. Put a nail in the wall, right on center, nothing fancy, nothing special, and that's all you have to do. So again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back with more videos.